with 1.5 points, Kershaw Rao. You guys getting tired with the applause or something? Maybe they'll come up and say, okay, here we go. Let's go stronger with the applause. In fourth, it takes top five get a trophy if they score 2 points or more. So fourth place with 2 points, Kershaw Raghavan. In third place, with 2 points, Louis Saval. Second place with 3.5 points, Alexander Reichel. 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 Thank you. Okay. And perfect 4-0 in first place, we have Ashay Gupta. Akshay